Good morning, everybody. I want to bring you cryptocurrency analysis and some indices. Okay, so yesterday I published the weekly analysis for the currency pairs, gold, silver, and some currency pairs. Now it's for crypto. This is daily chart. Remember when I was shouting, when Bitcoin was here, I was telling my friends, don't say your coin, the coin will go up. So I was shivering. Because why? They don't have the knowledge of how the market moves. And unfortunately, if you tell them to join the class and learn, they will say that the price is too much. They will not pay $500 to get the required knowledge, but they will lose thousands in their trading mistakes. Anyway, that's human being for you. So I was shouting, Bitcoin will go up. Stop selling. It will not fall further. Now it is going up. So having said what I said, let's go to 4 hours to see the next thing we will do. You can see we have 5 waves. You can see we have 5 waves, and we are now correcting. This correction, how deep will it be? I don't know yet, but one thing is certain. Normally, the way market moves, we expect the correction to at least come to this level, at least to this level. Okay. So how would it go? In a straight line, I don't think. It normally do. Let me zoom a bit. Normally, correction makes an ABC or WXY. Anyone. So this can be the A, maybe the B somewhere here, then the C will drop. I don't know how deep it will be. So for now, I don't know how deep it will be, but we're looking at 3 swings. So let's watch and see how it develops. Okay, so Bitcoin, I will not buy Bitcoin until I see an ABC. So probably between 58,000, 56,000, 54,000, even 52,000. Bitcoin can come as low as 52,000 before the next bull run starts. Okay, so let me even go down to 1 hour. One hour is making some reasonable move already. You can see 1 hour is making some moves already. Maybe once it's making a channel, and so either the move continues, either it drops one more time within this channel before it gives us the B leg, something like this, before the C leg drops. So keep watching to know how it will happen. Okay, but look for an A, B, C. Maybe here might be the end of the A, or here. You know, as I always say, to trade the correction, you better trade the second wave of the correction. I mean, that is the wave C. After wave A have dropped, watch for wave B. When wave B ends, you now trade wave C. That's my advice to my students. And it can be applicable to you as well. Ethereum BTC. Ethereum BTC. When after this impulse, this move, when this correction was happening, I said once it breaks, it will go higher. Then after, I think the next day or after 2 days, it broke and now it's going higher. So what do we expect? Maybe something like this and this. So it's now going higher. That is for margin traders who trade Ethereum BTC. Okay. Ethereum USD. They have made a new all-time. Many cryptos have made all-time high. Bitcoin have made all-time high anyway. Ethereum also made all-time high. So let's now go to 4 hours to see things ourselves. Okay. When price was here, I think in the middle of the week, I said we're going to have 3 waves drop. And the 3 waves drop is just, maybe let me make a forecast. Let me forecast where it will likely end. It seems the drop will be shallow. It seems it will be shallow, or maybe it will unfold in 3 waves. What is this? What am I doing? Say 1, 2, 3, 1, 6, 1. So this is what I expect. At least the price will come to this level before I think about buying again. So let's keep watching. This can be the W, this can be the X, then Y will drop. One hour is clearer. So WX, WXY. So watch out for, even if it goes up a bit, it will still come down. That's, even if it goes up a bit, it will come down to complete this sequence. SRP. SRP, when it was making this channel, I said once it is broken, we will get price to this level. It's moving gradually, but surely it will get there. You can see it's made sharp move, pull back, sharp move, pull back, sharp move, a big pullback. So this very big pullback can be a cause of delay in future. It can cause a delay. This very sharp sell-off, because you may get this before this. Okay, so but nevertheless, there's nothing bad there. Markets can behave anyhow, anytime. Then 1 hour, what you should watch out on 1 hour is this. A break of this is what we have to watch out on 1 hour. Can we go lower? Maybe like this, then this. It's possible. Either we go lower once more, or we get, or we break from here. But I think we're gonna have another drop. That is A, B, C. Or it will make, secondly, it can make a triangle from here. It can make a triangle from here. It can make a triangle. So, but it is too early to say. It can make a triangle. But now let us watch how it goes. Let us watch this line first to know what it will bring in the future. BNB also made an all-time high. It's now correcting. Okay, no, not yet. Not yet. It has come to 686 before. So maybe after some corrections, it will break this high. So now let us go to 4 hours. This is the fourth wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going higher. We are going higher. Once we break this, low high, this channel. Oh, anyway, let me remove the channel. This is the fourth wave. Now, there's something you need to know or have in mind about correction. This wave 4 can still do a double correction. In the sense, you can see it do this and do this and do this before going up. If it happens, which means this 4 we come to this level. But for now, we count what we see, and we also have in mind what we expect. You know, markets, whenever market is correcting, it can change sequence, it can change structure. So for now, let's assume this is wave 4. Why am I showing you this? So that if it happens, you won't be confused or surprised. So it can happen. Okay? It can happen, but for now, it hasn't happened. So let us take this as wave 4. And of course, the reason I say it can happen is that I have not seen the force. You know, if this is wave 4, then this is wave 1 of 5. And there's no sign of impulsive move here now. So this is the reason I said we may have this. Can we go down to 1 hour? Let us check 1 hour as well. Okay, nothing to show on 1 hour, nothing different on 1 hour, but the market is moving slowly. There's no, the impulse move is not sharp anymore. The impulse move is not sharp anymore. So are we going to get a squeeze or sideways move from here? Can this happen? Too early to say. Too early to say. Okay, but just let's keep watching this channel. Once it is broken in a positive manner, then the buy is ripe. Litecoin. Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin just trying to wake up from slumber. Let's see 4 hours to get more data. Okay, so the third leg, the third wave has made something big already. So now the fourth wave, this can be the end of fourth wave. We have 3 swings already, A, B, C. It can go lower. Now, what do we expect here? We only look for buy. If you're trading this as a margin or as an investment, just look for buy and nothing more. So someone has joined me. Okay, I will check Ada, don't worry. I don't even know, I don't even know that someone has joined me. Okay, so let's go down to 1 hour. So this can be an ABC, but let me so this is the standard measure of ABC. Standard, but sometimes it doesn't happen like that. Sometimes it doesn't happen. Somebody's making noise. So it can still come lower, or it may have ended. Sometimes it doesn't come to the standard level, expected level. So just watch. If it comes anyway, the point is that if you are buying Litecoin, know that it can still drop. That's why I'm showing you this. It can still drop, or it may have ended. Okay, the only proof that it will drop again is when the price goes above this level. That's when we can say it's not dropping again. So this is where we confirm that wave C is over. If not, it can still drop. Dogecoin. Let's go to daily. You can see on Dogecoin, you can see the broken channel. This is where Dogecoin is heading, but the pace is too slow. I don't like the pace; it's too slow. But you know, sometimes it will peak, sometimes it will be slow. If after breaking this, I was thinking that we will have a rapid move, something that will go back and this move, but it chose to go lower. No problem. We are still waiting for it. Once it returns to this level, then expect this sharp move. For now, it's just wasting time. That's part of the trading. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, not 5 waves move, but Just let Doge move above this level. Then we now have more confidence in this bull run. We are expecting ETN. ETN seems to be trying to wake up from slumber. ETN took a lot of time. This now. Please unmute your mic. Please unmute your mic. Please, somebody's making noise in the background. Unmute your mic. Who is that? This is an ABC. ABC. So okay, this is day chart. Let me go to 4 hours. Okay. After the breaking of this channel, it is going up, but not in a anyway. Just going up, but not in a speedy manner. The buying is not that strong. Okay, but nevertheless, I don't see reason to sell. So if you want to buy, either you look for pullback to buy or correction to buy, which means if you're trading it as a margin, whatever you are doing, stop loss will be here. That's where stop loss is safe to be. So let me add something. Let me do something. Okay, from this level to this level, it has come to the reversal zone. So we may not go lower. You want to go lower than this place. So the buying any further any the two pullback can make a sense for the buying. Will now let me go to ADA and the SHIBA. I don't know what's happening to ADA. Well, anyway, the daily chart is still make a lot of sense. The daily chart shows so that this is wave 4, not violated. Let's go back to 4 hours. On 4 hours, this drop is a call for concern. So this is one of the reasons I always advise to trade the crypto as an investment, because crypto can mess up at any time. I don't expect this type of drop on ADA after it has broken this channel. What I was expecting is a little drop. Okay, you can see what I drew. So this is what I was expecting. A little pullback, then price move up. So I don't expect this very sharp drop. Now, what next for ADA? The only thing I can say that because of this spin bar, it means that price dropped and rejected this level. This is a pin bar. You can see this candle. You can see the drop. You can see the whole body of the candle. It means this level is rejected. Now, I can only look for the price to come back, break this channel, give us pullback, and continue going. So the safest thing to do is that if you're trading ADA as a margin, wait, let it break this level first before you buy. Or if it came back to this level in a speedy manner, I mean, maybe this type of candle formed and break this level, then look for the two pullback and buy. Triangle. Which one? Is it at that or what? Can it make a triangle? I don't see any triangle possibility here. Which one are you referring as making triangle? Triangle or 1 hour? Okay, let me check 1 hour. Triangle or 1 hour? I don't see triangle. The shape is not doesn't suggest triangle at all. It's early to assume triangle. It's still early. Or maybe unless the triangle you're talking about, maybe from here, A, B, C, D, E. But even if it's a make triangle, it's still too early to assume the triangle. Or maybe you are talking about ETN. I don't see sign of triangle here. So what ETN or that you're talking about is too early to assume that triangle is forming. So let's go to SHIBA. Okay, SHIBA is going down gradually. So there's nothing more we expect than to the repeat of this move. After the time wasting, we will get this type of move. But where will it start? I don't know. Will it start from here? Or will this move continue to go down? I don't know. But as long as this channel is supported, we are waiting for this to happen. As long as this channel is not broken, we are waiting for this type of move. Even if it is broken, this guy second anyway. SHIBA, I don't have a fear whether SHIBA will go up or not. SHIBA is bound to give us this move. So if you don't have SHIBA, I will advise you to buy SHIBA. It's still a viable coin, but though you buy with not with all your money anyway. You don't buy crypto with all your money. No, you don't do that. Okay. Any other coin you want me to look into? Any other coin? Okay, now there's a new coin that's making waves. Let me talk about this new coin. It's called WAKANDA. You know, the WAKANDA is here, but it hasn't shown a good structure to be talking about it on TradingView. You know, it's a new coin. The coin, not even 10 days old. November is a new coin anyway. So, but the coin is making waves. The coin is doing wonders. It's worth buying. Now, the price is still too cheap. You know, one thing about this type of coin is that a $100 investment can give you thousands within a month. You know, you can see how many zeros: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros before a digit. So, and now if it's cancelled 1 0, it means your money has made 100%. If it cancels another 0, 200%, or even more. So, and this coin, the people behind this coin, they mean business. because the coin is the coin of African origin. It's a coin that will change narratives about Africa. At least Africans can do something the world will respect, because Africans are all over the world doing many things, very good things in the name of those countries. Now, the good brains gather together to develop this coin. So we are proud of it. $100, $50 can give you millions of this coin. Remember SHIBA, the SHIBA we are celebrating today was when the price was 8 zeros before was 8 zeros before digits. So this Wakanda will take over from SHIBA. Just watch. It will outperform SHIBA in nearest future. So if you want to buy the SHIBA, inbox me. I will give you the contact address, or you maybe, but you buy it on Swap. You buy it on Pancake Swap. So I can give you the contact address if you want to buy it. So let's go back to today's review, and we will conclude now. The best coin to make huge profit. You know, there is something about coin. You must make a very big research. You know, I always base on technical analysis. Coin, there are so many things about coin. There are people who develop coin with the intention of taking people's money. When they take people's money, they back out the project and it will die. But for you to know a type of coin that will make you money, you go fundamental also. I mean, if the coin is new, go to the Telegram channel. You know how many people they have there, how they're talking about it, their plans. Like, okay, now I recommend the Wakanda, buy Wakanda. Because once Wakanda is listed in maybe KuCoin, Binance, Coinbase is now talking about Wakanda. They may list it anytime. So once they get listed, the price will jump. So I can tell you, buy this Wakanda. Even Ada, buy Ada, but Ada may not give you the kind of profits those new coins will give you. But the risk is more on these new coins. The risk is more. The risk is more. But some coins have been established. Like SHIBA is still good to buy. SHIBA is still good to buy. Okay, so, you know, one thing about coin is that you risk the money you can bear. For instance, last year or even this year, early this year, BNB is still about $70. Today is 600 and even Ethereum. Last year, Ethereum is still below $200. Today is how many thousand? 6,000 plus. Wait, Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum. Sorry, today is 4,000 plus. So, one thing about coin, if you want to invest in coin when it is new, let's say I'm investing this $50. If it crashes, I forgot about it. There was a coin called Fast Moon. I invested $400. The coin went away. The programmers doesn't mean the developer doesn't mean business. They want to take our money, and I didn't make research before I bought it. But this Wakanda, I have made the research, and I see what is happening. Wakanda is still good to buy. So okay, now this Wink, the price is still good. I bought it sometime when the price was here also. The price is still good. But before you buy, go and read about it. This is their white paper. What the exchanges where they have been listed, what people are saying about it, what their plans. So this, I don't know how long this week have been, but I just saw the coin. I like it. Now you can see the coin have been in the market. Okay, now you can see this chart. Whenever this happens in a coin, that is what we call a boom. It's a boom, and it dropped. So what are we going to get? This will happen again, and the price now is good. So it can only delay. This thing will repeat itself. It can only delay, but this will surely happen. So recommending a coin may not be that easy. I can recommend the coin that have tested that have stood the test of time. You know, this is February. The coin might have been 1 year. So those coins that can vanish may not last 2 months. Okay, but any coin that lasted 1 year, 6 months, will likely stand. So you can buy this way, you can buy Wakanda, you can buy SHIBA. You can say buy Ada is still good. This coin again is still good. Okay, now see where the price is. So there's no the only thing we will see once the price breaks this channel, it will go up again. Okay, so and though it's a new coin, you can see July is a new coin, but maybe you put little money, $50, $100, $30, the amount you can bear. So coin is not that easy to recommend for somebody, unless the ones that have tested the test of time. So secondly, I have made the video before. Some coins I recommend. ETN is one of them. All these coins, KCS is one of them. OKB is one of them. Stella, no. This CRO is one of them. CSZ is one of them. Reason is that okay, now like this is an exchange coin. I don't have fear about this. It's an exchange coin. CRO is an exchange coin. You can see it's doing well, and the price is still good, 0.04. So VET also an exchange coin. So if you invest in an exchange coin, BNB is an exchange coin. So invest in exchange coin. If you plan to invest $100 on coin, invest 800 or 700 in exchange coin. Then you invest the rest in those coins that are not exchanged. But the exchange coins cannot vanish. But those other ones, you know about the first moon, all this moon, where are they today? But if they survive, they can give you 1,000% of profit in a month, in a week. But it's two-sided risk. It can survive, it can die. But exchange coins cannot die. But all you do is to have patience. Now, let me widen this chart. This is Binance, an exchange coin. Once the exchange begins to perform well, their coin appreciates. Okay, now, see when the price is, when the price is below, when the price is below $40, I mean, what am I even saying? This is 7th January 2021. The BNB is still below about $40 or even below. But today, it appreciates, went down, and it's going up again. An exchange coin. So, but BNB is now costly. You cannot buy much. But these ones I mentioned, there are other exchange coins you can buy. See this, this CHZ. See this CRO. See this VET. They are all exchange coin. Invest in them. Even if they waste time, don't worry, they will still come up. Thank you for joining me. The next video will be only for the indices. That one will be short. Any question? We have only 1 minute to conclude. Okay, others have left. Even those who asked the question have left. Who asked the question for? Okay, you, Ananta. Okay, you have got to my reply. Okay, so I call it a day. Bye.